Welcome to your class search tutorial, a tool where students can look for a single specific course. Within your Student Center, Class Search can be found at the top of the Student Center navigation window. Before we continue, make sure you have selected the correct term for classes you are searching for and click More Filters. Let's look at GE Area C2. Click Course Attribute and select GE Area C. Then click the appropriate catalog, which is the 2020 to 21 or later catalog C2. Modality of instruction refers to how course content is delivered. When looking to register for a full unit load, be sure to check the Show Open Classes Only box. Click Search. English 231 is one example of a C2. A green box with an O indicates open availability. Click the drop-down arrow on the left-hand side to find more info about the course. This section lists prerequisites needed before enrolling. Under availability, you can find seats open and waitlist open. The waitlist functions as a countdown, meaning that 98 out of 99 has one person on the waitlist and 1 out of 99 has 98 people on the waitlist. If you want to waitlist for a class to replace an enrolled course, you need to use the Swap Classes option under Enrollment in Student Center. Let's reset the filters and take a look at how to find major-specific courses. Business majors are required to take Business 214. Click Subject, find Business, and input 214 into course number, and hit Search. Unreserved and reserved seats are listed in the class notes. If you click on the arrow, you'll see how the reserved seats are broken down. During first round of enrollment, Business 214 holds 40 seats for business, econ, and ITP majors. After March 6th, remaining seats will open up to all students for enrollment. Once you find a section you like, add it to your shopping cart or enroll into the course.